question is lang, what do you think is the most performative thing people do?
Parang makakancel ako.
Probably drinking coffee anywhere.
For me is yung the way they dress.
The way people spend time together feels more like a performance than actual quality time.
There are some people na they just get together or bond together for the sake na may pakita to other persons, ganun.
I think we can do some sports. Golf.
That's performative?
Yep.
I think drink matcha, that's overly performative.
Siguro po yung pagbili ng matcha, nagsa-story sila.
Pag-post rin ng mga daily life. I mean, like yung matcha nga. Also yung libro. Even though you're not reading it.
Mga lalaking nagpo-post ng mga dumb pictures.
Pictures.
We do all those things naman.
So kayo rin, admittedly, performative rin. I see. No problem with that. Mag-hiking.
Yung parang nature trip, ay katulad nga yung hiking. Umaakit sila ng mga bundok kahit hindi naman sila physically healthy.
Sumasabay lang sa mga trending.